Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today in this video, I will be sharing our visit to Niagara Falls. We keep visiting Niagara Falls very often. Likewise, this time we went for city cruise. City cruise already we have visited from US side. This is from Canadian side. First time we are going. That's it, very long time it happened, so just wanted to refresh our cruise experience. In Niagara Falls, whenever you take cruise, we should keep off our cameras. It is a place where you should feel the beauty of water, because the water will be constantly splashing on your face and you will always not have any clear visibility. So it is better to keep off the camera and just enjoy watching the falls. This is Rainbow Bridge, which connects Canada to US. If you have to take a road trip from Canada to US, this is the bridge you have to take. Now when we came from cruise, we are again going back to the falls, and you can see that lift coming up and down. It is on the same track. One will come up and one will go down. It's very beautiful to look at, very safe and very nicely done. At the same time, one set of people will be coming down and one set of people will be going up. Both while coming and going, you will have a very beautiful view from here itself. You can see that is Horseshoe Falls. In this clip in the right hand side corner, do you see that yellow color raincoat? People standing there, that is where we are going to go. And also behind the falls, that is Journey Behind the Falls. So far we were standing on top. Now just underneath that same falls, see this tunnel is going just in the shape of that horseshoe light, where we will be walking inside. On top, if you see, the water is flowing, and it is not so interesting to see this small tunnel where this is just behind this falls we are standing. That is not very interesting, but coming out in this corridor and looking into the falls very close by, it is very, very beautiful. Then the experience is also, you have to feel it. You will always have nice splash on your face and nice breeze also with water. From this spot you can take very beautiful pictures and very nice view also. Definitely you can take one time this Journey Behind the Falls. Now this is from another day I have taken this clip. Now we are near the fall that we had taken almost in summer only. We went for the cruise. Now we have come during fall time. You have to take this lift to go for this whitewater walk and through the tunnel. It is just going nice deep inside. I will show you in a little while. When this tunnel gets open, right, you will just end up near the rapids. When you come out of this tunnel, you will end up near this Niagara River. Very beautiful and very, very spectacular view, and you can take very beautiful pictures over here. And these are rapids, very wild rapids. The sound is really roaring, and you will feel the roaring sound of these rapids. Perfect ambience for having a nice calm walk through these rapids nicely. You will enjoy the sound of these rapids also. And one more important thing is you will have very different spots over here to get down and enjoy the beauty near the water itself, near the river. You can go and also take lovely pictures and incredible views you can see. 2 or 3 spots are there where you can go down and take nice pictures. It is not too long, it is only a quarter-mile boardwalk which is very breathtaking. Always you can visit for the calm, serene atmosphere over here. Only you will hear the sound of these rapids. On this boardwalk you will have nice piece of information also put up everywhere about the geology, the animal habitat over here, even the plants. Everything will be very informative, and why this water is nice beautiful color and why it is foamy and frothy. Everything it is on those boards. You can keep reading and enjoying the walk. This river is downhill and it is only for quarter miles. You can see these rapids very fast. This video all through this boardwalk I have not made any fast forward. You can see the speed of the water. It is the real intense speed. That same speed you will see throughout the walk. If you want to take lovely pictures and beautiful videos like this, it's a must visit to Whitewater Walk in Niagara Falls. And one more important thing is where we are standing is Canada, and opposite side you see the wall or rock, whatever it is, that is fully US. Next, after having lunch in this street, which is a very happening street in Niagara Falls, which I have already shared for the nighttime view, then we will go to Niagara Glen Nature Reserve, which is a very long trail. It is also an interesting place. Is another wonderful experience, but do not go without knowing what is there. We went without knowing what is there, but still we enjoyed. It is a trail deep inside the jungle by the side of the river. This is the welcome center where you have to go and take a map. We know it is going to be a trail, but never thought it is going to be a very hard and rigorous trail. You can see from here how deep jungle beneath. You can see, right? We are going to go near that river. We went through the steps. I will just show you how these steps look like. They are just very straight and very narrow metal stairs. You have to walk from top till the bottom, and from here you can take either left or right. Right side is a very long trail which is 5 kilometers, but left side it is little less, 2.5 kilometers it seems that we took, and 2.5 means going 2.5 and coming again 2.5. Again we are going to have 5 kilometers, not miles. And nowhere the trail was straight, everywhere ups and downs, walking through the stones only. Very hard to walk. At least while going it was okay. Many people were going there. All were going for rock climbing. It is very famous for rock climbing, it seems. In between there are big rocks. People used to carry nice crash beds. We didn't know what it is. We asked one of the person, then they told they will be climbing rocks and they will be wearing those crash beds at the back. If at all they fall down, they will fall on that bed, it seems. Everywhere on the stone you can see there were marks to follow the trail, and finally we ended up near the river. As you keep walking by the side of this river in the trail, you will end up in one place near the water itself. See this place. This place they have given fully trespassing is prohibited, still we went. Many people, everybody who come here till here, just go view and come. When the dam is open or when the water level increases, the water comes all over here. So it is high risk. Anytime the water level increase, the water is going to come over here. So that's why it is written trespassing is prohibited. But even here we saw nice beautiful view. Just sat there for 5 minutes as we had taken a very long walk. We have to go back before the sunset because in the welcome center they told we have to leave this jungle or the trail before the sunset. It is safe. It is open for the general public to go inside the trail after sunrise and before sunset only. As it is fall and winter is fast approaching, soon we are getting done with all our outdoor activities, and everything I will be sharing here in my channel so that you can also enjoy the same. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome video. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.